Did you know that in just 2 weeks, without the right vitamins, your legs could lose up to 10% of their strength, and in some cases, they may never fully recover? I'm Dr. Samuel Reed. I'm 92 years old, and after more than 60 years treating thousands of patients, I've learned something powerful. Weak legs aren't just about aging. They're your body's quiet way of asking for help. Today, I'll show you 3 specific vitamins that have helped hundreds of my older patients regain their strength, some in just days. Even those who thought they were beyond hope. You'll discover which vitamins directly support your nerves and muscles, how to take them simply and affordably, and the common mistakes that secretly drain your strength. But first, let me introduce you to someone special. Her name is Evelyn. Part 1. Evelyn's story. Evelyn is 78 years old. She's someone I admire deeply. When I first met her, she had to grip her son's arm tightly just to walk across my office. Her legs were trembling, like they might collapse at any moment. Her face said everything. Tired, ashamed, as if she'd done something wrong just because she couldn't stand on her own. "Doctor, I don't understand," she said softly. "I eat fine, I walk every day, but I keep getting weaker." Her son spoke next. "She used to be so strong, but after my father died, she stayed home all the time. Then her legs just started giving up." I've heard that so many times. This must be old age, but I don't agree. I told Evelyn, "Your legs aren't weak because of your age. They're weak because they've been starved." Part 2. What she was missing. I asked what she ate. She said mostly white bread, cheese, not many vegetables, no milk, often skipped breakfast, and that's the problem. Almost half of older adults are missing at least one of the 3 critical vitamins your muscles and nerves depend on, and the longer it goes on, the harder it is to heal. Evelyn asked me, "So, what can I do now?" I smiled and said, "We start small, one step at a time." Part 3. Her comeback. Just a few weeks later, Evelyn returned. This time, she walked into my office on her own. No son holding her, no cane. Just Evelyn, standing tall, smiling. "I can't believe it," she said. "I feel like myself again." Her story isn't rare. Maybe it's your story too. And if it is, know this: you still have time. You still have power. Let's now talk about the 3 vitamins almost every senior needs, and why they could be the key to rebuilding your strength. Part 4. The signs of deficiency. Have you ever woken up, put your feet on the floor, and hesitated to stand? You're not alone. Medical research shows nearly 60% of people over 65 are deficient in at least one of the 3 key nutrients. Ask yourself these. Do your legs feel wobbly when you stand up? Do your calves shake when you walk? Ever need to grab a wall or chair for balance? These are not just aging symptoms. They're warning signs. If your legs feel numb, or if you've ever had burning or tingling sensations, especially at night, that's your body crying out for vitamin B12. If you get nighttime cramps, painful ones that wake you from sleep, you're likely low in magnesium and vitamin D. And if you feel exhausted just walking across the room, or you've lost interest in moving around, that's often because of a lack of vitamin D. If you said yes to any of those, stay with me. Let's dive into what your body is missing and how to fix it. Part 5. Meet the vital trio. Imagine your legs as soldiers. Every step you take, every movement, they're on duty. And they have 3 commanders: vitamin B12, vitamin D, and magnesium. Let's start with B12. B12 is like insulation around a wire. It protects your nerves. Without it, your brain's signals get lost. Your legs don't respond as fast. That's when you start stumbling more, feeling like your legs aren't yours. Next, vitamin D. The key that keeps your bones and muscles strong. When we were younger, we got enough from sunlight. But as we age, we stop making it as efficiently. Vitamin D helps you stand straighter, walk more steadily, and avoid fractures. And finally, magnesium. This mineral keeps your muscles working in harmony. It prevents cramps, supports steady heartbeats, and restores restful sleep. Part 6. Why deficiencies happen, but here's the tricky part. After 60, your body absorbs less. Your stomach makes less acid. Your gut struggles to take in nutrients. And common medications, like water pills, diabetes, drugs, or stomach meds, they quietly drain your vitamin stores day after day. Even if you eat normally, you can still be dangerously low in B12, D, and magnesium. That's when the real trouble starts. Weaker nerves, shrinking muscles, brittle bones. But here's the good news. You can reverse this. Part 7. Simple daily fixes. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets. Just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Add B12. Eat a boiled egg, a small piece of chicken, or plain yogurt daily. Even 1 serving makes a difference. Vegetarian. No problem. Fortified cereal or plant-based milks help too. Step 2. Restore vitamin D. Spend 10 to 15 minutes each morning in the sun. Let it touch your face and arms. Add salmon or sardines to meals twice a week. Or drink milk fortified with vitamin D. Step 3. Boost magnesium. Snack on almonds or pumpkin seeds. Add leafy greens like spinach or Swiss chard to dinner. Half a banana before bed can reduce night cramps. Start small. Your body will respond faster than you expect. Part 8, Michael's transformation. Now let me tell you about Michael. He's 82, spent his life as a mechanic. By the time he came to me, he couldn't walk more than 5 minutes. Cramps kept him up at night. He was convinced he'd be in a wheelchair soon, but we made a simple plan. 10 minutes in the sun each morning, a piece of salmon or an egg at lunch, half a banana at night, and a handful of almonds in the afternoon. Nothing fancy. After 3 weeks, his cramps were gone. 2 months later, he walked into my office on his own. No cane, no help, and his eyes, they sparkled with confidence. Part 9, the 5 golden principles. Let's end with 5 golden principles. These are what I tell all my patients. Never skip breakfast. A protein-rich morning meal fuels your muscles all day. Get 10 minutes of morning sunlight. It's free, powerful, and vital for vitamin D. Eat 1 serving of eggs or fish daily. Keeps your B12 and D levels strong. Add magnesium with seeds and greens. Prevents cramps and supports smooth movement. Don't wait. Start today. The earlier you act, the faster your body responds. You might be thinking, I'm already old, does this really matter? Yes, it does. Conclusion. Final message with Channel CTA. Say this to yourself. I am not helpless. Every day I'll do one small thing to help my body. Say it each morning. Say it before sleep. You'll feel strength return, not just in your legs, but in your heart. Maybe right now you're sitting in your favorite chair. Maybe you feel some doubt. That's okay. But I hope, even just a small seed of hope is growing in you now. Your age doesn't define your strength, your actions do. So tomorrow morning, have a real breakfast, step into the sunlight, and whisper, I'm doing this because I deserve a strong, independent life. If this talk helped you, click subscribe to our channel. Every week, we share easy-to-follow tips and inspiring stories to help you live healthier, longer, and stronger. Leave a comment below. Let us know what symptoms you've faced and what change you'll try first. And if you have a friend or loved one struggling with weak legs, share this video with them. Sometimes one small step can change everything. Thank you for listening. I'm Dr. Samuel Reed, and I believe it's never too late to do something good for your health.